Principles of producing perfect products with high quality. Strategies for continuous research and development without settling for the present. Company with own principles and philosophy has earned clients' trust. We've managed to contribute to their manufacturing innovation. DY WELTEC is leading the field of wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant industry with the advanced technologies. DY WELTEC is an engineering service provider who can open the door to tomorrow in the wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant industrial facilities field. Through various field experiences in energy, steel, and heavy industries through continuous challenges and accumulated know-hows. Our devotion to our business since the foundation in 1989 has let us register a number of patents and certifications. Our unique technology we've achieved has become the standards, not just in Korea, but in the field of wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant industrial facilities worldwide. Hard facing that improves the wear resistance of manufacturing facilities by welding hard alloy on the surface of base metals. Thermal spray coating on the surfaces of industrial facilities normally used in poor high temperature, high humidity, chemicals, and so on, environments that highly improves abrasion resistance and corrosion resistance. PTA that allows manufacturing products with outstanding abrasion resistance for weld surfacing consumables by depositing the alloy powder on base metal using plasma. The technical know-hows of DY WELTEC accumulated in the past years, combined with its experience and efforts, have fulfilled our clients 100% so far by providing them with the best manufacturing facilities and the best technologies. DY WELTEC is leading the development of key industries worldwide, including the fields of energy, steel and iron, cement, and heavy industries, by providing them solutions to corrosion and abrasion. Responsibility and reliability. Based on self-esteem as a professional, we grow and develop with our clients as an engineering service provider in the wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant industrial facilities field. DY WELTEC is making the world a better place by constantly developing new technologies and creating new values, driven by our passion and spirit of challenge. The best technology for your business. DY WELTEC is always with you.